Guys, my name is Ashley Weir, and I am in the Early Childhood Special Education Initial Licensure Master's Program. Two positives I have for working with others is collaboration on new ideas and being able to ask questions if you have them for other people who may have answers that you don't. Three negatives for working with others, I think time management can be a lot harder, scheduling everybody together. Difference in opinions can sometimes cause little tension in groups, and also making sure that everyone is on the same page can also be a problem if people are unsure of deadlines, which can be a little bit hard. My previous experience working with collaborating with families, I taught for a little bit last year, and so I had to collaborate with families on behaviors and IEPs. And I think that having a well-rounded classroom means engaging parents and children in the home environment as well, as 2.5 hours at school every day doesn't make as big of a difference as if you incorporate the same kind of stuff at home as you do during your school day for the children. I hope to learn from this course how to further collaborate with families and, how much is too much collaboration and what is just right, and, what should be expected of teachers as well as families on the collaboration forefront. All right, I'm excited to work with you guys. Bye.